Hey friends, JonsTech here. Are Apple products and accessories actually good on AliExpress? I've got 3 things here that I bought from AliExpress at stupidly cheap prices. I have this wallet, MagSafe wallet, cost £1.50. I have this Apple Watch stand to sit my Apple Watch upright by my desk. That also costs about £1.40 or something. This was the most expensive. It comes with a MagSafe charger as well, but it's a stand that does MagSafe wireless charging for your iPhone, and it only cost me £10. I'm going to go through these products one by one and give you my thoughts and feelings, whether they're worth it or it's just a bunch of cheap garbage. Let's start with probably the simplest thing first and then make our way to the most exciting, which is probably this one, because I want to try out the new standby mode as well on my iPhone. Right, first we have it then is this Apple Watch stand. So, if I take my Apple Watch off, the idea is this just kind of sits on it like that. Nice and simple, and then on the side of your desk you can just have it propped up so you can visually see the display on it, and it kind of tucks away the magnet and the cable behind it, so it's a lot cleaner than what I currently have set up, which I'll put on screen right now. The material's really nice, it's just all silicone, harder here than it is at the back. Nice simple colour, very cheap, looks like it'll work quite well. Let's thread this through because this is how I think it works. That sits perfectly on there. Look at that. Then this cable, I guess you can, with the excess, I guess you can kind of roll it up inside like this and then pull out just the part you need. That's great. What I'm going to plug this into is this Anchor adapter. This is the greatest purchase I've ever made in my life. It's honestly so convenient. It can charge an iPad and an iPhone at the same time at max speed. And it has 2 USB-C ports. This works perfectly with all the adapters we're doing today, but if you're interested in this, I'll leave a link in the description below. Right, let's test this watch. Put it on there. Well, it doesn't look like it's actually picked it up. Oh, there you go. 1 second. Okay, there you go. Maybe I just didn't align it right. Let's knock it a bit. There you go, looks like it's staying on very well. Giving it some force and it's still stuck there charging. Let me show you from a top-down view. Right, look, so when I try to align this perfectly on top right, it's shifted to the left. And it's not perfectly aligned, and that's because this strap here, you can see it's pushing on the side. So it's not actually aligning properly, which is making it tricky to charge. But there's nothing I can do about that. I have to basically take this strap off to get it to line perfectly, because that is always gonna just push it away and it's not gonna line flush. Also, it has a slight kind of recess in it, which makes it even trickier. So actually, it doesn't really work. It looks nice, but pass. Next product. Right, let's take a look at this wallet. It's not just a wallet, it actually has MagSafe in it too, which is great. It kind of looks like one of those moft wallets that you've seen around, the ones that kind of like fold down and you put your cards in the top. Let's open this and have a quick look at it then. This also cost me something like £1.50. I'll put all the prices up on the screen so you know exactly what they were when I purchased them. There you go, that is very sleek, very thin. Is that a sticker on the back? I thought it was MagSafe. Oh. Okay, it actually looks like it's, you have to stick it on. It's not magnetic like MagSafe to the back of your phone, which is annoying. I can see the magnet bit here is actually where this snaps together. So that's very sneaky of them. You have to make sure you read the reviews or make sure the description says exactly what it does, because I thought this was going to be a MagSafe wallet. Clearly not. Other than it being cheap and not actually having MagSafe, it looks like it's quite nice actually. It's quite hard to pop that off. And I think you can fit some cards in there, although it looks very tight. But I'm going to pass on this, unless you were happy to stick some into the back of your phone case. Now for the stand with MagSafe. I'm excited to check this one out. £10 this one cost me. And it should come with a charger. Yeah, it does. And the stand. This charger here looks very similar to the official Apple one. I had a look at the actual specs. This does 15-watt charging, the same as the Apple MagSafe Charger does. But instead of paying £45 just for this from Apple, you get a stand and the MagSafe Charger for £10. And it also has USB-C. Fantastic. Let's have a quick look at the finish of this stand. It's aluminium. Feels really sturdy and good. It's got rubber grips on the bottom, so it won't slide around. Yeah, that's very nice. And this is a nice silicone back here, so I guess to give your phone some extra grip. Very light as well, which is nice. Let's check out the MagSafe Charger. Okay. Now, I don't actually have an official Apple MagSafe Charger, so I can't actually check how one-to-one this looks, but it looks very nice. Just get it out of this box. Wow, okay. It looks very much like an Apple MagSafe Charger would be. Gotta be honest though, there are some scuffs on here, like it's got a bit of damage on it. And the metallic look on the back is it looks grainy. It doesn't look as smooth and shiny as I think the Apple ones have looked. I've seen a few videos on them before, and this looks like the kind of reflective grains on there are a bit larger, whereas the Apple ones are a lot smoother and smaller. Right, should we give this a go then? Let's see if it sticks to the back of my phone case. Oh, it does snap quite well, doesn't it? Hang on. Can you see that? That feels very good. Not bad, not bad. Definitely give, that isn't gonna come off, I'm gonna be honest, that is really well stuck on. I can't directly pull it off upwards, I have to push it away. That is some solid grip. Right, let's plug this into my Anchor adapter. Actually, before we do that, let's connect it through here so we can set it up properly in our stand. There we go. That fits all right, but pushes out very easily. Not as snug as I want it. Oh dear. That is not good. Yeah, that keeps popping off. I'll probably glue the back in or something to keep that in place, because that is simply not holding. That's another downgrade of buying on AliExpress, getting the cheap things. Jesus Christ, it's really not even usable, is it? But does it even work? I know full well when I pick this up, it's gonna rip the magnet out with it, but let's give it a go. Nice. Connected, did the little animation. Looks like it's charging. To be fair, once it's in, it's not dropping out like it was before. Oh, it did come off a bit there. I guess because the weight of it is holding it more in place. That's fine. So charging works, tick. Now let's check the standby mode. Of course that comes out, which I don't really want. I'll glue that in after. Put it back on sideways. Okay, there you go. My case is kind of interacting with this a bit. The camera bump is touching the silicone, so it's actually on a bit of an angle there. Here we go, standby mode is working. Right, so this is what the standby mode looks like on my phone. It's working. Very nice. For £10 though, I know it has that issue where it keeps popping off, but if I stick that in, I think this will work very well actually on my desk. Right, future John here. I've had this for a while and it's working well. What you can see right away probably is I've actually cut off the silicone at the edge there. My camera now fits flush on this and it works great. Also on the back, I couldn't find any glue, so what I did, I found some double-sided Velcro, and that works, and it also means it's not permanently stuck down. So it lives happily here. I haven't taken it off. I use this quite a lot actually, but if I ever did want to take this charger out, I can just take it out. £10 and a bit of DIY, and I think it's alright for the price I paid. There you go, this pretty much covers it. If you enjoyed this, please leave a comment down in the description. If you want to see any more videos like this, let me know, and hopefully I'll see you soon in another video. Take care, bye.